drowning in spreadsheets and dreaming of easier ways to reach your customers? Well, prepare to ditch the copy-pasting nightmare, because today we're unlocking the power of Twilio SMS directly within Excel. First, you'll need a Twilio account. Sign up for a free trial if you don't have one already. Next, set up your Excel sheet. You'll need columns for phone numbers, the SMS messages you want to send, and a column to track the delivery status of each message. Now, grab your account SID and auth token from your Twilio dashboard. These are your keys to connecting Excel to Twilio's messaging service, so keep them safe. Open the VBA editor in Excel, usually by pressing Alt plus F11, insert a new module, and paste in the VBA code snippet that connects to the Twilio API. Be sure to replace the placeholder values in the code with your actual account SID, auth token, and your Twilio phone number. This is crucial for the code to work. Create a button in your spreadsheet that runs the VBA code. This button will trigger the SMS sendout process whenever you click it. Finally, test it out. Click the button and watch the status column update as your messages are sent via Twilio. You can now automate those reminders, updates, or marketing blasts, all without leaving Excel. And there you have it. Seamless SMS campaigns, straight from your spreadsheets, simplifying your marketing efforts and saving you tons of time.